All right, go ahead. What's your name?
Dale.
Okay, so tell us a little bit about your experience with your dad being with you all the time.
It's pretty good. You get to spend a lot of time. Get to spend a lot of time with my dad, and I usually see him every day, every minute.
Okay, what are some of the things you participate in? You play any sports? You do anything academically that you're happy about?
I play basketball and volleyball, and academically, I'm doing pretty good.
Okay, am I with you at all your sporting events?
Yes.
Okay, what about your friends? Are their parents with them all the time at every sporting event, or are they not?
No.
Why do you think that is?
Because they go to middle school and their parents work at a job.
Yeah, that's right. So what about you?
Hey, well, I'm Christian, and the benefits of spending time with my dad and him being home learning every single day, and he works from his home. And the benefits are really simple. I mean, I get to spend time with my dad whenever I want, any minute of the day, any second if he's not working. And he's home, he's there to cook for us, he helps us with school. And, we're able to spend time, like we are right now, going on bike rides around the town and, playing board games and having a bunch of fun with each other. And he can still stay home and work. So the benefits are honestly very amazing, and I'm very blessed to have just an amazing dad that's able to do that. And those are the benefits of having a P.O.M-P.Om lifestyle, being spend time with your children and every other person that's in your house, because you're inside every day.
Okay, let me ask you both a question. Did I just start doing this, or have I been at home ever since the day you were born?
You've been doing it. You've been at home.
So you've never known me to have a job?
Nope.
Never.
Never.
And do I work a lot?
Yes.
Yes.
Do I really? Do I work a lot?
Well, kind
Not really.
Do you see me working like 8 hours straight every day?
No.
No. How many hours do I normally work?
Like
3.
Like 3 or 4. And do we have a great lifestyle?
Yes.
Yes.
Do we travel a lot?
Yes.
What's some of the places you guys been?
Chicago,
Philippines,
Colorado, Florida,
Canada?
and
And how many vacations we go on every year?
like two every single summer.
Every single summer, right? And you never know me to have a job, have you? And are we struggling for anything? We live in a gated community.
Yep.
You go to private school.
Yep.
You play every sport that you want to play.
Yep.
Anything you ever needed that I wasn't able to provide for you?
Nope.
So are you enjoying the P.O.M-P.Om lifestyle?
Yes.
Would you like it any other way?
No.
All right, awesome.